Hello fellow lockpickers and welcome to today's quick video. I received a parcel from the awesome Bobby Keyz. I opened it on video, was so excited to show it all off, and then realised that I hadn't pressed the record button because I was too excited to open the parcel. What was the reason I was so excited? Well, as you can imagine, when you start receiving 3D printed stuff, you know it's going to be a good parcel. So he has sorted me out a Euro and a kick holder, pin and shoe and front loader. Not only that, tons of plug followers in loads of different sizes, and the most amazing pinning tray. I now have my own Boy Bilbo 81 pinning tray in green and black. So I have to apologise to him that it wasn't an out of the packet opening, but I was so excited, so I forgot to hit the record button. So if you haven't checked out Bobby Keyz' channel, follow the link in the description below. Check him out. He's an awesome guy, real talented, brilliant picker. So yeah, get over there now, go check him out, and in my next video I shall hopefully be using this. I'm going to attempt to get into a challenge lock, and then we'll see how this works. So hopefully we'll be getting that open soon. Anyway, cheers for this quick video, and we'll see you soon. Bye.